What's up, guys? Welcome to another nickel ruble loss trading video. I'm making this video today specifically for General Greenus in the Discord. Shout out to General Greenus, longtime friend of mine. And yeah, he's real interested in doing the futures trading. And I've actually been messing around with it myself a little bit, so it's perfect timing. I'm going to get you guys up to date on how to do futures trading. And what is futures trading? It's if you're familiar with stocks and options trading, this is basically options trading for cryptocurrency. And yeah, it's the same sort of setup. If you're not familiar, basically, you don't actually own the coins or the stock when you do the options. You are purchasing a contract, and that contract basically is an agreement of a certain amount, an allocation of an agreed upon, whether it's a stock or cryptocurrency. In this case, obviously it's crypto, so it's an agreed upon amount of crypto based on the amount of leverage that you're using. In Kucoin, which is obviously the platform that I use and what I recommend that you use, the maximum leverage that we're allowed to use is 5x, which is all I recommend trading on, especially as a noob. With more experience, you can go up, and with other platforms as well, like Femex and stuff, you can go up to 20x, 50x, and you can go up to 100x on Kucoin if you verify your account. We just can't do that here. But you don't want to be doing that anyway. That's like really risky stuff. So how it works is your money's gonna start in cash or Tether, really, actually, and you buy with Tether and you receive Tether back. You never really own the coins, like I said. So what you do is let's say you have $50 and you're on 5x leverage. You're gonna agree to either buy or sell 5 times the amount, so $250 worth of whatever coin it is. And what I mean by buy or sell is when you're doing futures trading, and I know you guys have heard these terms, you're thinking of either longing or shorting. And if you long it means you think it's going to go up, and if you short it, you think it's going to go down. Okay, and you can do either. You can long or short. And in the video today, later on, I'm actually going to show you how to short Bitcoin, as what I decided to do. And I also had a long open on XRP, so you're going to get to see a little bit of both. But yeah, so with futures, you can trade on margin as well. I recommend against margin. I think margin is the worst thing that someone can get into. You don't want to be borrowing money, okay? So when you trade on leverage, you're technically spot trading because you're putting the money up, all right? And how it works is if it goes below, so let's say you long. If it goes below a certain price, or if you short and it goes above a certain price, you get liquidated. Liquidated means that money that you put up front, that you gambled with, gone, zero. To prevent liquidation, that's where you set your stop losses. That's where stop losses are the most important. And with your HODL accounts, you can really just HODL. I set stops on my HODL accounts once they're profitable 300% plus, so that I'm not retracing so much money, because it doesn't make sense to. It makes sense to take profits and move to a better trade at that point. But when you're on leverage here, it makes a lot of sense because you can get liquidated very quickly if the market doesn't move in the manner that you had expected it to move and that you bet against. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the video portion. Just a screen cap on my phone, and like I said, we're gonna go in, we're gonna show you my long on XRP, and I'm gonna short Bitcoin. Okay, so here we are opening Kucoin. And you can see, you're just going to go to my assets. And the first thing you got to do is you got to fund your futures account. So I'm going to set that up. I'm going to go in here, and I'm not actually going to put any money in. I'm just showing you because I already have money in my futures account, but this is how you would do it. And then type it in there. So yeah, but like I said, you can see I already got money in there, and I have that open order I was talking about, which is the XRP order. And you can see it down there at the bottom. That's my open XRP long. Profit and loss at the bottom corner, bottom right. But here we are, we're gonna type in some Bitcoin, and this is how you search. So I wanna short Bitcoin. So you just search hit the top left 3 bars there, and then you search. And then here we are, yeah, we're in there. So this is what it looks like. You can hit sell. This is how you short. It says sell short. And then you can see where the quantities are. You can hit the different amounts, the 25, 50, 75%, and those amounts are going to and you can see the cost reflects. So that's how much available tether you have. So you're either going to put it up 25, 50, 75, 100% of that available tether, and you can see that cost reflected at the bottom, or you can set a custom amount, okay? And yeah, so and you can see the trends on the right side. So that's what people are doing. They're 40% long, 63% short. So most people are shorting. So it seems like I kind of have the right feel right now. And again, there's my open position at the bottom there. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna short Bitcoin, north of 40,000 here, because I believe it's gonna retest below 40K. So set that short to 100%. I'm sorry, I was deciding how much money I want to risk. So yeah, I'm just gonna yeah, so there you go. So now you can just switch and click through your positions, and you can click which position you want to be on, and then that's reflecting the information you're seeing. And then you can see where it says profit and loss, so you can click in the profit and loss on the bottom left there, and you open this window, and this is where you can set your stop losses and your profit taking. And I'm not going to set any on the XRP because I've been watching it like a hawk, but I will set a stop loss on the Bitcoin in a second here. I just want you guys to see, if you hit the different percentages, it reflects what the amount is at the bottom there. Okay, so then exactly how much you're going to lose or how much you're going to gain. And yeah, here, so we'll set a stop loss on Bitcoin. And I'll probably set it to we'll see. So $44,000. Yeah, it's not going to go that high. I don't think so, at least. 42, that sounds about right. So yeah, I'll probably stick with a 25% because it might go that high. So click that. And then there you go. So if it goes that high, I only lose my 13 bucks. But otherwise, I should be in the green. All right, guys, and that's how it's done. So hope that you understand futures trading now. And if anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask. I know it's not the most easy thing; it's a little confusing, but I think with the explanation, you guys should be able to figure it out on your own. All right. As always, join us in the Discord. That'll be in the description, and don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. Appreciate you guys, and together we'll command the cryptoverse.